Ultimate Betrayal is the latest production from the staples of Jobson Films. Premieres at McLean Hotel, Kumasi on Saturday, July 8, 2017.
Don't come and mess me up. You left this house unceremoniously. Ordinary mechanic.
I will show you no man can to me. Some little feminine stretches, some strategies here to me the young yet sacrament.
Ultimate Betrayal.
I don't know the tears, I just don't get it. Why are you doing that? Who will Google what here?
Me and some walk when I want to say me first when you're going to be your phone.
My best how do you
say it Napoleon? Can you now come for food? Second,
give me a break. Don't piss me off. You're talking about Ghana and shares.
Ultimate Betrayal.
Nothing can say me come my me papa. And I need ja mobile me one be wa boy. I'm a boy. So go warrior. Now go be so dear. Nyamana me makochom.
This premiere is powered by Atrema Entertainment, proudly sponsored by Tigo and supported by the Boss Men's Grooming.